Hey guys, good noon. I'm Advay Sen Gupta. Today I'm coming up with the next part of photosynthesis whereby we will discuss dark reaction, C4 cycle, photorespiration, and dual nature of Rubisco. Now let's start. Dark reaction or biosynthetic phase of photosynthesis. It occurs in the stroma or ground matrix of chloroplast. It is also known as C3 cycle because the first stable product of dark reaction or biosynthetic phase of photosynthesis is a 3-carbon compound, that is phosphoglyceric acid. Dark reaction was discovered by Melvin Kelvin, hence for this reason it is also known as Kelvin cycle. Now let us understand few points about Kelvin cycle or dark reaction or biosynthetic phase of photosynthesis. It is also known as the light independent phase of photosynthesis, hence is also known as dark reaction. Primary acceptor of carbon dioxide here is RUBP. What is RUBP? RUBP stands for ribulose 1,5 bisphosphate. The enzyme which helps in fixation of carbon dioxide is Rubisco. It is ribulose 1,5 bisphosphate carboxylase oxygenase. During dark reaction, due to high carbon dioxide concentration, the enzyme Rubisco acts as carboxylase and fixes carbon dioxide. Clear? The first stable product of dark reaction is phosphoglyceric acid, which is a 3-carbon compound. Stages of dark reaction includes carboxylation, where the first stable product, that is phosphoglyceric acid, is formed. Then comes glycolytic reversal, where phosphoglyceric acid gets isomeric conversion into phosphoglyceraldehyde. Formation of sugar, that is glucose, takes place in the third stage. Glucose is later polymerized into starch and it is translocated into the storage organ and the consumption end through the phloem tissues in the form of sap. RUBP regeneration. In the fourth stage, ribulose 1,5 bisphosphate is regenerated to continue the chain of reaction. Few examples of C3 plants includes rice, wheats, normal green plants. Now let's come to C4 cycle. It is a specialized biosynthetic phase of photosynthesis. In certain plants, especially in case of weeds or in drought-resistant plants such as maize, sugarcane, jowar, millets, we observe that the first stable product of dark reaction is a 4-carbon compound, which is oxaloacetate. The primary acceptor of carbon dioxide is PEP, that is phosphoenol pyruvate. The first stable product is oxaloacetate, and the enzymes which assist in carbon dioxide fixation is PEP carboxylase, that is phosphoenol pyruvate carboxylase. Enzyme which assists in carbon dioxide fixation is PEP carboxylase. Example of C4 plants includes drought-resistant plants such as maize, jowar, sorghum. Other wheat plants also belongs to C4 categories such as amaranthus, Avena sativa, etc. Kranz anatomy. Special leaf anatomy in the leaves of C4 plants. Special characteristics to be noted: absence of palisade cells and tissues. Vascular bundle is surrounded by bundle sheet, which is in turn surrounded by a ring of mesophyll cells. Chloroplast is dimorphic. Chloroplasts present in bundle sheet are large and are devoid of granum, while chloroplasts present in mesophyll cells are small and have prominent granum. Now let's come to the C2 cycle or photorespiration. In presence of high temperature, high light intensity and high oxygen concentration, enzyme Rubisco serves as oxygenase and fixes oxygen instead of carbon dioxide. Now let's come to the definition of photorespiration. It is the uptake of oxygen and release of carbon dioxide by the plants in the presence of high temperature, high light intensity and high oxygen concentration. It takes place in the chloroplast, peroxisome, and mitochondria. Dual nature of the enzyme Rubisco. Rubisco stands for ribulose 1,5 bisphosphate carboxylase oxygenase. It can act in both carboxylase as well as oxygenase form depending upon the situation. Due to C3 cycle, the presence of during C3 cycle, in the presence of high CO2 concentration, the enzyme Rubisco acts as carboxylase and fixes carbon dioxide. During C2 cycle or photorespiration, in the presence of high temperature, high oxygen concentration, high light intensity, Rubisco acts as oxygenase and fixes oxygen instead of carbon dioxide. Clear? Thank you guys.